Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Network and Internet. This is faster than searching app by app. Once there, tap Connections or Mobile Network depending on your UI, then locate Data Saver under the Mobile Data section. You do this because Data Saver is a system-level toggle that controls background data for all apps. Make sure Wi-Fi is off if you're testing cellular behavior, otherwise the system may not show cellular hints. On the Data Saver screen, you'll see the master toggle and a list of apps. Turn the master toggle off to immediately stop restricting background data. This is the only universal switch that reverses the behavior for all apps. Once disabled, check the app exceptions list and remove or add apps you want to allow unrestricted data. This prevents surprises where some apps still appear limited because they were explicitly blocked earlier. After toggling Data Saver off, open an app that previously showed limited background syncing to confirm data flows normally. If changes don't take effect right away, reboot the phone to refresh system services and network stacks. Once done, make sure Battery Saver isn't re-enabling restrictions automatically. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last resort because it clears Wi-Fi and VPN profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.